What's up guys, this is Unknown from Createch and in this video, we are doing an unboxing of Urban Fit Z smartwatch. Now this is available at 5,999, that is the launch offer, and after the launch offer, the regular retail price will be 6,499. It launched on 15th February 2023. It is available on all leading offline retail outlets and online portals and the official site of Urban, that is gourban.in. Now before we get started, here are some highlights. They say this is their brightest display ever with 700 nits of brightness, which is great. It comes with 1.4-inch bezel-less smart anti-glare screen. Now this is Ultra HD Fluid AMOLED display and it has always-on display feature. It also comes with Bluetooth calling with speaker and inbuilt mic, and it also has TWS connectivity and inbuilt memory, so you can also store songs. It has AI voice assistant, it is water and sweat resistant, and it also has fast charging. There is a lot more, we'll discuss that later in the video. Now let's get started. Here's the box. There's a preview of the watch and branding. It says calling smartwatch with additional leather strap. It also says AMOLED display. Towards bottom it has lot of highlights. On the back there is specs, preview of the watch once again, pricing and other information. Now let's unbox. First there is smartwatch, followed by documentation, extra straps and charging dock. Now here's the watch. Let's remove the sticker. Here's how it looks like. Let's have physical overview. It comes with a bezel-less AMOLED display and the display looks pretty good. It has two buttons on the right that makes this look like a stopwatch. It is plain on the left side. On the back it has sensors, branding, few highlights and finally charging pins. Now this is the vegan leather strap and there is branding on the buckle. Watch has slight heft to it, 52 grams, and has good thickness. Feels really good to hold and wear. Now let's look at the specifications. It comes with a large 1.4-inch Super AMOLED Fluid HD display with 700 nits of brightness. It has always-on display feature and it supports fast charging. It lasts 7 days in 30 minutes of charge. It comes with AI voice assistant, dedicated dual sensors for SpO2, heart rate, and blood pressure monitoring. It offers 24/7 continuous health monitoring. And this watch weighs 52 grams. This also comes with 60 plus sports modes. It has step counter, that is pedometer, calorie counter, hydration alert, sedentary alert, sleep monitoring, and it also has 100 plus watch faces. It also comes with additional strap. There are two color combinations, black silicone strap plus brown vegan leather, which comes with black dial, while grey silicone strap plus black vegan leather strap comes with gunmetal grey dial. Now we have the black dial watch with brown vegan leather straps, and we can change it to black silicone straps. Both look pretty good. Now it has military grade premium aluminum finish and it has inbuilt speaker and mic. Now let's look at pairing. You can scan the QR code in the watch or on the back of the box and download the Fit app. Open the app and go to device section and tap on add a device. Once it shows Fit Z, just tap on it. And that's it, it is paired. Now this is how the interface looks like. First we have the watch face, and if we swipe up, there is a notification panel. If we swipe down, we have lot of different toggles. First one is low power mode, then we have few more, and there is settings. In settings we can see stopwatch, alarm, timer, brightness, vibration and bell, and few more options. Now if we swipe left from the home screen, we can see step tracker, sleep tracker, and physical activity tracker. Next we have health section, followed by camera. We can take pictures on the phone using this interface. Next we have music. Now we can locally store the songs on the watch, and we can also connect wireless earbuds. So we can directly listen to the songs on the watch through the earbuds or through the speaker. Now if we swipe right from the home screen, we have all the features listed. Steps, sleep, heart rate, training, measure BP, SpO2. We have phone dialer, weather, notification, breath training, find phone. We also have games. We get two games, that is Hamster and 2048. There is also calculator and we also have always on display settings. Here we can choose to put it on off, digital clock or analog clock. But there is no option to further customize the always on display. We have to use the default two options, but having always on display is really good. It has multiple watch faces, there are few stock watch faces and you can download many more on the app. Now here's how to pair TWS earbuds with the smartwatch. This is pretty simple process. Just go to music app on the watch and tap on three dots. That's the menu. And from here you can select Bluetooth connectivity. And it will search for wireless earbuds. Just tap on the device when it appears and the earbuds are paired to the smartwatch. Now this smartwatch comes with internal storage. not just for contacts, but also for songs. You can copy songs to the watch by using the charging dock. Yes, the charging dock not only charges, but also transfers data as well. Just connect the charging cable to your computer and place your FitZ smartwatch on it. As soon as it detects and shows it on the PC, copy and paste the songs you want into the watch storage. Now you can listen to the songs on your smartwatch. That is pretty cool. Here's sample audio. Because you can connect to your wireless earbuds, you can listen to these songs directly from the watch, on your earbuds. You can't expect a lot of audio quality out of a watch, but it is pretty decent and gets the job done. You might not hear all the details and the bass, but you do hear the song and it does sound pretty decent. As for calls, here's the interface, recent call log, dial pad, contacts. When I tested the call quality, it sounded decent, and you can use it to casually making the call when your phone is not around. You also have AI Voice Assistant, and when you tap on it, it triggers Google Assistant on your phone. You can then ask it something and it replies on the phone. Overall, it is pretty good, whether it is the design, or the 1.4-inch AMOLED screen with always-on display, or the numerous features it offers, like Bluetooth calling, fast charging, AI Voice Assistant, and so on. You are getting a whole package. That's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about this smartwatch? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. And I'm Unknown from Greedy Tech. Meet you next time.